Hello, this is our fence connector. It can be passed steel wire, rope, and cable, used with wire trailers, arbors, horse, and small animal fencing, hanging outdoors, barbecues, and curtain, and many other wire hanging, suitable for home, garden application, farm, ranches, and zoos. It is easy to install and tighten to prevent sagging. Insert diameter 2 to 3.5 cm wide into the overall end, and then move forward. Smooth inner, no jamming. Strong bite, no slipping out. Fit for bare wire, barbed wire, galvanized wire. It could save your cost. Solid aluminium material anti-UV will not rust. Fast installing. Reduce time even up to 80%. No other tool required. Inside, no will not rust when rain enters. Streamlined design, beautiful shape. Surface with instructions. No slip in use. Silver color blades with steel wire perfectly into the electricity fence. Lightweight and easy to carry. It offers easier solution in linking wire, rope, and cable.